I can see only clouds here. Imagine this is the view from my sales gallery. The view from your villa is way better than this. So this is your private entrance because the villa belongs to you. So this entrance will be your entrance private जो आपकी रहेगी. And as I mentioned on the model that your floors will be heated floors. So you guys can see this is the heating point where you can see the temperature of your flooring. So from this point to the complete rooms, your floors will be warm. Honestly, this is something very unique which nobody should miss it. If you are planning your second home or if you have a dream to own a home in a hill station, then this is your only option. I don't think so anything better can be bought as compared to this. मतलब imagine हम रील्स में देखते हैं होटल्स की रील्स जो हम देखते हैं कि अ मैन वोक अप और वो सीधा पूल में चला गया. तो ये वो फील, ये वो वाइब आपको यहाँ पे मिलने वाली है. यू हैव डायरेक्ट एक्सेस फ्रॉम योर बेडरूम टू योर पूल with endless view. So this is the best part, your private swimming pool. Swimming in your private swimming pool and enjoying this mesmerizing view. And this is how your complete villa is gonna look like. ये आपका पूरा एक look आता है villa का. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel NCR Property Bazaar. Today I am at Simoor, Himachal Pradesh, and I'm here to show you very exclusive listing on my YouTube channel. Today we are at Terra Grande by Eldigo, a only villa residency where you can own a villa in Himachal Pradesh on your own name. This listing is very exclusive because in 30 acres there are only 80 villas and the sizes starts from 600 square yard to 1500 square yard. 3 BHK to 5 BHK options are there. It's my pleasure that Eldigo invited me here to showcase their project to you. And we are at the location right now. This is the first security check. Okay, so there are 2 layers of security this project. So first security check is here and second security check you will see at the villa number 1. I'm gonna show you the sales gallery where I'll explain you about the project. So let's start this video and please watch the complete video to understand this project. So guys, we are at the sales gallery of Terra Grande by Eldigo. As I mentioned, this located in Simoor, Himachal Pradesh. So this is the complete 30 acres land bank which is with Eldigo right now. यहाँ पे हमारा एक सिक्योरिटी चेक है. उसके बाद विला नंबर 1 के पास you guys can see there is another security check. पूरे प्रोजेक्ट में 30 एकर्स के अंदर एक्सक्लूसिव 80 विलाज रहेंगे जिसमें हमारे पास ये ट्री हाउसेज भी हैं. इफ आई टॉक अबाउट द साइजेस, 3 BHK, 4 BHK, 5 BHK इसके आपके विला साइजेस रहेंगे विद सो मेनी एमिनिटीज. चीज़ें मिल रही हैं दैट इज प्राइसलेस, दैट इज यूनिक. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू आर गेटिंग अ प्राइवेट स्विमिंग पूल इन योर विला. Okay, you are getting a heated floor in your villa and you are getting dedicated parking, a dedicated space in your villa. So if I talk about the sizes, so villa sizes starts from 600 square yard to 1500 square yard. So we have all these sizes available. As of now, developer has started selling first phase only. So there are very limited villas that is available right now. After that, when the second phase will start, the price will increase, as we all know. Reason why I'm showing you this project, because at this point of time, if you have to buy a land in Himachal Pradesh, if you are not a Himachali, you cannot buy land on your name. But when you're buying with Eldigo, you can actually buy a land on your name. So the villa and the land will be on your name. This is something which you can give to your grandchild, to your child. So a legacy है which you are going to buy and give it to your generations. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, जो भी विलाज या बिल्डर फ्लोर अभी हिमाचल में प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं, वहाँ पे आप कहीं ना कहीं अपार्टमेंट बाय करते हो, विला बाय करते हो, लेकिन लैंड आपके नाम पे नहीं होता रजिस्टर्ड. हेयर द लैंड विल बी रजिस्टर्ड ऑन योर नेम, द विला विल बी योर्स. इन हिमाचल, if you are going to get a RERA, Himachals give you 7 to 8 years of time to complete any project. Eldigo is committed to complete this project by the end of 2027, which is remarkable for Eldigo and for Himachal, because ये पहला project होगा जो इतने short time में complete होगा हिमाचल के अंदर. You're going to get a dedicated clubhouse of 20,000 square feet where you will get an infinity swimming pool and all the amenities that you can expect. Is a dedicated area from where the water will be floating. तो प्रोजेक्ट को बनाते वक्त जहाँ जहाँ पे वाटर फ्लोट होता था पहाड़ों में, वो जगह को डेवलपर ने एज इट इज़ रखा है. वहाँ पे स्टेप्स बना दिए गए हैं कि आप उस जगह से ऊपर जा सकते हो एंड यू कैन फील अ रिवर, यू नो, अ वाटरफॉल इन योर ओन टाउनशिप, इन योर ओन सोसाइटी. मैं विला बाय कर लूँगा, मेरी प्रीवियसली का क्या. तो इफ़ यू सी दिस, you know, facade, if you see this landscaping, the person, for example, if 14 number villa will see from his balcony, okay, from his lounge area, he cannot see the view of villa number 6. So it is, you know, developed in such a way where privacy is secured for you. Nobody can see your pool area, nobody can see your balcony area. You will get an endless view. For example, इस विला से जो आप balcony से view देखोगे, it will be endless. I can show you a view from my sales gallery. You can have a look. This is the view from my sales gallery. I can see only clouds here. Imagine this is the view from my sales gallery. The view from your villa is way better than this. So without wasting any more time, I know you guys are curious to see the villa. Let me take you to the site. Let me take you to the sample villa which is ready. It's 4 BHK villa. I'm going to explain you exactly why this villa is unique, why this villa is precious, and why you should buy this villa. Come with me. This is the entrance of your villa. Let me show you. आप एक private entrance इसमें कैसा लगता है. So this is your private entrance. Because the villa belongs to you, so this entrance will be your entrance private जो आपकी रहेगी. And आपका जो विला स्टार्ट होता है, वो विला स्टार्ट होता है जहाँ पे हम अभी रुकेंगे. तो आपकी लैंड की रजिस्ट्री वहाँ से है और ये एरिया आपको एल्डिगो एक प्राइवेट एंट्रेंस बना के दे रहा है. So that is a very good part. So we are at the villa right now. This is villa number 1 and this is a 4 BHK villa. Let me show you. It will take you so much efforts, money, architectures to build this kind of a wall. This is one of a kind. That is the reason I was saying 7.5 करोड़ रुपए का विला है तो वो वर्थ भी है. It's value for money. As you guys can see, this is the entrance facade for your villa. You guys can see आपका glass facade का entrance रखा है and a very big wooden door for your villa. And this is your entrance. So as you come forward, this space is there to, you know, to leave your accessories, to leave your shoes. So this area you can design according to your own taste. But this area is very, you know, unique. कि आप enter होते एक थोड़ा सा आपको एक private area मिलता है. So as you enter, this is a beautiful foyer area which you can design accordingly, according to your taste. And as I mentioned on the model, that your floors will be heated floors. So you guys can see this is the heating point where you can see the temperature of your flooring. So from this point to the complete rooms, your, you know, floors will be warm. Takes, I can say, 55 to 60 lakhs to build this. But Eldigo is a well-known brand. They have done it in a very beautiful way. And this space is your dining area. So you guys can see we have placed a 8-seater dining. Yeah. So this is your living area where you have a private bonfire, so you guys can do bonfire here. So imagine having a beautiful view from your glass facade, sitting near to the bonfire. You will feel like a vacation every day. And if you come straight, this is your powder room, this is your guest washroom, okay, and pantry cum kitchen area, okay, with attached servant room, servant washroom, and you get this beautiful family lounge area. So here you can sit with your family, have a quality time with this mesmerizing view. And the best part about this family launch is you will see this cloudy morning every single day. At this point of time weather थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा cloudy है, तो मैं आपको सनसेट या सन नहीं दिखा पा रहा हूँ. बट इफ़ यू कैन सी लेफ्ट में आपके ईस्ट आ जाता है, दैट इज़ वेस्ट, सामने साउथ. तो यहाँ पे यू विल गेट अ सनलाइट थ्रू आउट द डे. नाउ लेट मी शो यू द फर्स्ट बेडरूम which is on your upper floor. If you see, because of the ceiling height, because of the facade of this villa na, it looks massive. And if you enter, this is your big size first bedroom, okay, with attached balcony, you guys can see. And जो view है आपके bedroom से, first bedroom से आपके living area से अनऑब्स्ट्रक्टेड व्यू है. यहाँ पे लाइक जहाँ तक आपकी नजरें जाती हैं अनऑब्स्ट्रक्टेड आपको व्यू मिलता है यहाँ पे. एंड नाउ दिस इज योर वॉकिंग क्लोजेट एरिया. सो यू गाइस कैन सी यू हैव अ वॉकिंग क्लोजेट स्पेस अवेलेबल हियर. एंड देन स्पेशियस वॉशरूम. यू गाइस कैन सी हमने यहाँ पे वेट और ड्राई का कॉन्सेप्ट रखा है, जैसे ग्लास फसाड. तो ये आपका फर्स्ट बेड वॉशरूम आ जाता है, which is very big. अभी मैं आपको मास्टर बेडरूम का जो वॉशरूम दिखाऊंगा, you will be surprised to see कि कितना अच्छा लेआउट एल्डिगो ने निकाला है. Now let me take you to the lower floor. Come with me. To buy it fully furnished, or if you want to design your villa according to your own taste, if you want to do the wooden work by yourself, you can do that also. Else we are giving you villa in a fully furnished condition where only movable furnitures are not there. Rest everything will be done by the developer. Now let me take you to the lower floor. So this is your second living area on lower floors. And guys, if you have a look at this villa, it is designed in a such a way which, you know, it feels like a celebrity home. The antiques they have put in, the design they have done it, the glass facade और wooden का जो structure बना है, it is marvelous. Sitting here, sipping a coffee with this mesmerizing view. Honestly, this is something very unique, which nobody should miss it. If you are planning your second home, or if you have a dream to, you know, own a home in a hill station, then this is your only option. I don't think so anything better can be, you know, can be bought as compared to this. So this is your big size living area, the lower floor. Second bedroom, which is again very spacious. So this is the spacious bedroom that you are getting, and again with attached walk-in closet space with attached washroom, the way you have seen it on on upper floors, the same design they have done it here. मतलब imagine हम रील्स में देखते हैं, you know, होटल्स की रील्स जो हम देखते हैं कि a man woke up और वो सीधा पूल में चला गया. तो ये वो फील, ये वो वाइब आपको यहाँ पे मिलने वाली है. You have direct access from your bedroom to your pool with endless view. Now let me take you to your third bedroom. Come with me. You have wardrobe space here as well. Now this is your third bedroom with attached big size washroom. I would like to show you the washroom first of this bedroom, because this is your master bedroom. Private bathtub. So here you will get shower and a private bathtub, which gives you a very premium vibe. Now I will show you the bedroom. This is your third bedroom. It's again spacious, and we have designed in such a way we have placed your TV there. वैसे तो इस रूम में टीवी की जरूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज ये रूम में जो व्यू है ना फ्रॉम द बालकनी इज इनफ, इज मेस्मराइजिंग। ये देखने के बाद टीवी देखने का मन किसका करेगा गाइस। एंड वी हैव प्लांट सिट आउट्स ऑल्सो, हमने चेयर्स यहाँ पे डेकोरेट। सो एक फील आपको देने की कोशिश करी गई है यहाँ पे। इफ यू बाय दिस विला यू कैन डिजाइन इट इन अ वेरी गुड वे, बिकॉज इनफ स्पेसेस है, द साइज ऑफ द बेडरूम इज वेरी गुड। तभी 600 स्क्वायर यार्ड में 3 BHK, या अगर आप 800-900 स्क्वायर यार्ड में 4 BHK बाय करते हैं, यू गेट इनफ स्पेस फॉर योर सेल्फ। Now let me show you the fourth bedroom. So this is your fourth bedroom. This is also again very spacious, and you will get a attached washroom again with this walk-in closet space, and this is your washroom. Now, the most important part of this villa I'm gonna show you. Come with you, we're definitely gonna love it. Come. And if you ask me, this space is my personal favorite in this entire villa, because here you can enjoy the sunlight, having a beautiful view, you know. एंड यहाँ पे द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट दिस फसाड है, ठंड में ठंड अंदर नहीं आएगी, बट यू कैन एंजॉय द सनलाइट. सो दिस इज द ब्यूटी ऑफ दिस फसाड. सो दिस इज द बेस्ट पार्ट, योर प्राइवेट स्विमिंग पूल. Imagine swimming in your private swimming pool and enjoying this mesmerizing view. And this is how your complete villa is gonna look like. ये आपका पूरा एक look आता है विला का. And you can see this is very important. The stone they have used, this is very important because ये stones जो आपके यूज हुए हैं, इनकी क्वालिटी ये होती है कि ठंड में ये गर्म रहते हैं और गर्मी में ठंडे रहते हैं. तो आपका रूम जो टेम्परेचर होता है वो बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट ही मेंटेन होता है ऐसे विलास में, वेयर यू यूज दीज स्टोन्स. एंड दिस इज वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग ऑल्सो. योर पूल इज ऑल्सो अ टेम्परेचर कंट्रोल पूल. यू कैन सी द आउटर देयर. यू कैन सेट द टेम्परेचर ऑफ योर स्विमिंग पूल एंड देन यू कैन एंजॉय स्विमिंग. सो दिस इज योर प्राइवेट गार्डन. पूल तो आपको मैंने दिखा दिया. नाउ दिस इज योर प्राइवेट गार्डन. यू कैन इमेजिन कि अपना प्राइवेट गार्डन भी मिल गया, प्राइवेट पूल भी मिल गया, एंड दिस एरिया इज कंप्लीटली योर्स. एंड यहाँ पे आपको 3 लेयर्स में आपको ग्रीन एरिया मिलता है, 3 लेयर्स में. यू कैन ग्रो योर ओन वेजिटेबल, ऑर्गेनिक वेजिटेबल इन योर ओन लॉन. This is the area and that will be maintained by Indigo. Apart from that, you can decorate this part also the way we have done it. To maintain your lawn, your garden will be done by the developer. So this lawn will be maintained the way it is, looking right now. जैसा दिख रहा है वैसे ही मेंटेन रहेगा. और यही पॉइंट, यही फ़र्क पड़ता है एक लिस्टेड डेवलपर से. एक अच्छे डेवलपर से कुछ बाय करते हो तो वहाँ पे आपको क्वालिटी मिलती है. प्राइस ऊपर नीचे हो सकता है, बट जो क्वालिटी मिल रही है उसमें कोई कमी नहीं होगी. नाउ दिस इज द 3 layers garden that you are getting is a very beautiful part of this villa, because you guys can have your walk here. जो मॉर्निंग वॉक काफ़ी लोगों को पसंद होता है, सुबह की ओस की बूंदों पे कहते हैं नंगे पैर चलो तो बहुत अच्छा होता है. इट इज़ गुड फॉर योर आईज ऑल्सो. तो वो चीज़ें मुझे ना मतलब ये आपको जोड़ती हैं नेचर के साथ. ऐसे लेवल पे डिज़ाइन करा है इस वॉल को, सो दैट जो आपके ऊपर विला होगा जिनका, उनको अपनी बालकनी से आपका कोई व्यू ही नहीं आएगा. सो दे विल ऑल्सो गेट द सेम व्यू द व्यू यू आर गेटिंग राइट नाउ. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दिस योर privacy will not be invaded. So this is the outer facade of your villa. You guys can see यहाँ पे हमने कुछ ग्रीनरी ग्रोन कर रखी है, यहाँ पे भी ग्रीनरी हमने ग्रोन कर रखी है. तो ये जो पार्ट है विला का विद दिस प्राइवेट लॉन लाइटिंग्स, दिस इज ऑल्सो बिलोंग्स टू द बायर ओनली. तो ये भी आपके रहेगा. एंड आई नो यू मस्ट बी हैविंग so many questions, so many queries, and many of you wanted to visit also. Me and my team is here to answer all your queries, and we will arrange personalized visits as well to experience this villa in a such a way जहाँ पे आपको actually में पता चले कि why should I buy this villa. And before I sign off, let me show you one more time the beauty of this villa. Your villa starts from there. तो ये जो private way है, the way they have decorated, I know जो buyer जो भी इसे buy करेगा वो और भी better view plan करेगा to give you a feel that you are entering to a castle. बिकॉज ये जो फसाड है, जो एंट्री है, ये आपको एक कासल में एंटर होने वाली फील होती है. अच्छा, दूसरी जो चीज़ बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है ना, जनवरी एनवायरमेंट. देयर आर ओनली 80 विलास. तो जो 80 रेसिडेंट्स होंगे वो विल शेयर द एक्सपीरियंस विद यू ऑफ रिसाइडिंग इन दिस सोसाइटी. और वेरी HNI clients, I can give you some examples. Hindware owners have bought a villa here. Okay, a very close friend of MS Dhoni has bought a villa here. So the kind of a January you will get here, जो क्लब हाउस में आप सब लोग इकट्ठे होंगे, so it will give you a feel of जैसे कमीलियाज में लोग जाते हैं ना. People don't pay 100 crores or 160 crores for an apartment. They pay 100 crores for an experience that they get in while residing in Camellias. So यहाँ पे आपको वो वैल्यू फॉर मनी तो है ही, वो विला तो आपको मिल ही रहा है, जो एक्सपीरियंस मिल रहा है जनवरी का, that is amazing. So I hope you like this video and keep watching, keep loving NCR Property Bazaar. Bye for now and thank you. Bye.